Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever struggled to sell something, you are not alone. You might have the best product or service, but somehow no one is beating. Deep down, it is frustrating. You know what you are offering is valuable, but here is the truth. People don't buy based on your logic. People buy based on their psychology, and in this video I am going to reveal 8 star psychological sales technique that master salespeople use to influence human mind and close the deal never before. By the end of this video, you will understand how to tap into deepest emotion that make people to buy your service or things without hesitation. The first thing you need to understand, pain is the ultimate motivator. If there is no pain, there is no sell. Most of people trying to sell features like this product have longer battery life, waterproof, dustproof, etc. But no one care. What people care about how this product can solve their problem. Let's say you are selling an online course. Make money with e-commerce. Instead of listing features, you ask, are you tired of 9 to 5 job? Do you hate? Do you feel stuck? There is no way out. Now you have got their attention. Why? Because you poked at their pain. They already have. Then you present solution. Their dream scenario. Imagine waking up whenever you want, working wherever you want, and finally feeling free. You have created contrast. Their painful reality versus their dream life. The bigger the gap, they more likely to act. Escalating pain. Pain comes in layer. For to make someone act, you must amplify it. First thing, latent pain. They don't realize they have. For example, someone working at warehouse. They might feel well, but deep down they feel unfulfilled. Next, there is realizing pain. When you help them to see the truth. What if you do this work for 10 more years? Will you ever feel happy? Will you ever feel freedom that you truly wanted? Finally, there is extreme pain. You make these consequences of inaction unbearable that they can't ignore it. If you don't change it, you will wake up 10 years from now, exact same place, and wishing you had done something differently. Technique 3. Position as yourself as the solution. Once they feel the pain, you step in as the hero of their story. They already wanted to escape their story. They just need a guide. Your job is to show them you are the perfect person to bridge between what they are now and what they want to be. This means you are not just selling your product, you are selling transformation. To make this work, you must show this. First, proof you have done it before, your result. Proof you have helped others. Testimonial and stories. Why your solution is the fastest and easiest way to their goal. The power of storytelling. Fact tells, but stories sells. Share relatable story about how you and your client come out from these challenges. Example. I used to hate my 9 to 5 job. I was stuck, working long hours for a boss who didn't value me. Then I discover how to make money online. Object handling as a trust building tool. When people hesitate, they will raise objection. I don't have time, I'm too old. What if it doesn't work for me? Instead of fighting these objections, empathize them and reframe them. For example, you don't have time, let's break it down. You work 8 hours and another 8 hours sleep. That leaves 8 hours for everything else. Could you dedicate it just 2 hours for changing your future? By turning their challenges into opportunity, you build trust and reduce resistance. Silence and confidence. One of the most underrated technique is the power of silence. When you present your price, say it confidently and pause. For example, the based on everything, the price is $1,000. Then you can pause. Most of people talk too much after they telling their price, which come across as insecurity. But silence signal confidence and it give buyer space to process. More often than not, they will convince themselves. Urgency and scarcity. To push people over the edge, use urgency and scarcity. I only take 5 people in a month and only 2 spots are left. This special offer only available until Saturday. When people feel might they will miss out, they more likely to act. Deliver real value. The final and the most important technique, deliver what you promise. Manipulating only work for short time. If your product or service doesn't deliver result, word will spread. But when you consistently provide values, you build trust, loyalty and referrals.